let's run through setting the time on our G-Shock GD-350. To enter time setting mode, we're going to want to press and hold our adjust button until we hear it beep. Our first option is going to be to set our universal coordinated time. We can press our forward and reverse button to adjust this. Mode to enter our next setting, which is daylight savings time, off or on. Mode for our next setting, which is 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode for our next, which is seconds, which we can zero with our forward button. Mode to adjust our hour, it's currently 11 where I live. Mode to adjust our minute, 47. Mode will take us to our year, 2025. Mode for our month, April. Mode for our day, the 15th. Mode if we want our watch to beep or be muted. Mode for LT, which is our light duration in seconds. And lastly, if we want our alarm to vibrate or flash. Once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust once more, and now our watch will be set. Thank you guys for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks guys.